Now talk about one bad minivan. What the heck? This puts my old install to shame. Look at this. 220Ks. Man, oh man, it's not every day you see a decked out minivan going this crazy. How many people watching would love to rock a minivan like this? Not so much a mom vehicle anymore. Oh. I can just imagine good old Mama Dukes pulling up to the bus stop, flexing out like a mad woman in her minivan, all the kids looking over like she's got 3 heads. Oh man, that would be hilarious to see. See, I don't know about you guys, but I still got a wicked soft spot for minivans and just vans in general, people who do builds in that style of vehicle. I mean, heck, I just bought myself a big behemoth mother out there in the driveway because I'm such a big fan of vans. So props to our buddy here for ignoring all the hate if he ever got any for choosing a minivan. I know I got a lot of hate back in the day. It brings back memories just looking at this of my old Grand Caravan. Oh, and my Orions. I loved those freaking Orion subs, and it feels great to be in the position now where everything came back full circle. And at Showtime Electronics, we're selling Orions, and I'm a direct part of that. It feels so great all these years later. The minivan started it all. So keep pushing forward, man. I love seeing that again and again. So let's go ahead and change up the pace with a crazy dynamic duo boyfriend-girlfriend setup. Oh, who says girlfriends can't be supportive of bass, right? She was loving it. She's got a great little setup, but let's let her explain it to you and meet Cassidy Olsen. This was a great time. Let's check it out. What's your name?
Cassidy Olsen.
Cassidy?
Yeah.
Wow, you got a nice system here going. A 3500 on 215s? Really? Yeah. All right. I think it's pushing some air there. Yep. All right, let's take a little gander of this thing. Yeah. I'm gonna stick the camera up back and see if we can see it real quick. Actually, there's no way. So you and your boyfriend built this up, or is it just you?
I bought everything, picked everything out, and helped him put it in, but he definitely was a huge part of it.
That's awesome.
So.
Holy is that a PRS, 80 PRS?
Yeah, it's like.
That's a really nice head unit.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, I got 2 of those.
Awesome. Yeah, so I'm running pretty low on voltage here, but let's see.
Running low on voltage? Oh, yeah.
I've been playing it for a while now.
Okay.
In the torn up town, no postcode envy, but every song's like.
That's awesome.
Thank you so much.
I like this song choice too. What is that, going off your phone?
Yeah, it is.
Nice. It's all about picking the right song.
You should have read bitches love cake. Between the porn stars.
So do you drive around everywhere like this?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I have so much respect for that.
Thank you so much.
You and your guy doing it up right, that is awesome. Makes me happy right there.
Oh, thank you so much.
Nice center slot port there.
Yeah, I'm hoping to get a new box here soon, but.
Yeah? You did a great job, both of you.
Thank
Did a
you.
great job.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for pulling me aside. I really appreciate that.
I appreciate you
So
stopping.
Casey and
It's Cassidy.
Cassidy
Yeah,
and what's your name? Dylan.
He's working on his wall right now. He was
All right.
here last year at Slam with his
All right, the
smartphone.
dynamic duo coming up
Yeah.
here. All right, you tubulous. Getting loud over here at Slamology. I'm telling you, something magical happens when a couple can work together and play together, especially in car audio. I mean, crap, he probably fell in love the second she said, I think my voltage is running a little low. I am so happy to see another couple in car audio as happy as I am with Elise. She has her own 2 10s. Before that, she wanted a single 12, even though it took some coercing, not quite convincing. It just took her a little while to fully adjust to the Basshead community, and now she's one of the guys, or one of the girls, I should say. So I love seeing couples do stuff together. So do you have a significant other that you're able to do big, small projects with? And if so, what was it? Do you guys have a good time in car audio, the pool hall, playing billiards? Who knows? So let's go ahead and say goodbye for today. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to have another 2 bass demos here to have a little entertainment value for this week. I have another bigger project that I'm actually working on right now, but it's not finished, so I figured I'd post this up in the meantime just for a little something for you guys to enjoy. And as always, you can continue to get your fix over at Showtime Electronics. Affordable items of the yin yang for you to choose here on Instagram. I just posted up a page of my first Incriminator sub. I'm trying out their i-series, guys. 150 bucks, budget banger. And go check out my Instagram page if you want to see the photo. They're available right now on the website for a really great price. 150 bucks for that 12, man. It is a banger. So let's go ahead and say goodbye. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you in the next video. This is EXO signing out. I hope you have a great rest of your day, morning, night. I'm not sure, but I'll talk to you then.